It's Furious Gaming. Welcome to the channel. You're here probably because you've seen the title on fixing your server for not starting out community online tools, and it says gives you an offline error. So first off, this is a fresh server. It's just a 4-man server I bought just to test my mods that I've made. So first off, you don't have nothing in here. You're gonna connect to your FileZilla. This is everything you see right here. Everything. So obviously you're gonna go find CF. This is supposed to be in there. There's 2 CFs. So you're gonna make sure this is highlighted. Then I usually just right click and upload. Everything you see is gonna be done down here. And you see it pop up. It has nothing in it. Transfer is done. Now I usually go down and find community online tools, because you have to have CF and community online tools. And I'm slow in talking, so here it is right here. Got everything, got the keys, admin config. Alright, cool. Make sure it's highlighted. Not this, because if you highlight this, you're gonna put this mod into this, and you don't want to do that. So make sure Daisy standalone is highlighted. If you want to clear this like this, you can. It doesn't matter. Just click upload. So now you have the mods on your server. I'm gonna refresh my page. There they go. Boom, boom. But you can, I do it this way. I do my keys through FileZilla. So all I do is just go down here, bada boop, open that joker. See, this is your key folder. Now you go to keys. This is your key folder for this key. Just drag it. It's there. And that key is the same. It's the same key. Like, you can't put this community online tools key in there. See, watch. It's the same key. This target already exists. So you just want to put cancel. Don't add that key. Don't add community online tools. Don't add the key. Just don't touch it. So now, guess what? You have the 2 most important things on your server. I usually press start and load them to make sure they go in the command line, but guess what? You haven't called them to your command line. So this is what I usually do. Sorry, that's my admin stuff. I usually go over here, take this, get rid of these. Boom. Boom. Copy it. Here's your command line. Well, this is for my other server, which is right here. So you're just going to do paste. Well, I'm doing it backwards, but you have. Well, I usually make sure CF tools is first. Like, so hold on. I can just do it without copying. That's how you need to set it up. That's how you set it up, right there, just like this. Save. Don't fucking with this. Fuck it. Don't care. Who cares? Who cares about any of it? Besides this, I mean, you can change your name. I mean, let's do land the dead test. See, there we go. Boom. So now I can identify my server. So we've added the mods on our server through FileZilla. We've added keys. Keys is already in here. 2 keys. This is your main Daisy key, and then this is CF key, because it's CF community online tools is the same key. So don't worry about it. So now what you're gonna do is just start your server. Start it up. Don't mess with anything else. I don't even care for passwords. I don't care for none of that. And you know it's a test server. Just don't worry about it. And I'll see you in a second. Okay. The server just came online. I usually give it about 2-3 minutes, maybe a minute, so it can boost up on DZSA. So if it's a fresh server, it is gonna take a minute for it to pop up on DZSA. So we're just gonna open it and try to find it. Oh, see, there it is right there. See, there's my tools. So let's load in. And then I'm gonna show you the error that you're gonna usually get. Server's kind of dead right now. I'm new to this stuff. But hey, it takes a learning experience for sure. So just load into your server. It doesn't matter who it is. I mean, I usually prefer yourself, like the modern developer or whatever the fuck you call it, or whatever the heck you call it. Yeah, it's kind of jacked up because this is what happens when you edit your stuff. You edit your stuff. Dang. Freaking take. So it's gonna load me in. Make sure you load in. It might give you a PVO error. All you do is just shut your server down, shut it down, stop it completely, and then start it back up and do the same thing 3 or 4 times until that PVO error goes away. And make sure every time you update where you shut your server down, you shut this down when you reset it, because you just got to shut it down, because that could be your PVO error. Okay, so I'm pressing in. It's a brand new server. No maps, no nothing, no vanilla. So this is when you press insert. Obviously, this is the message you want. This is the message you guys see all the time. This is the question that I get all the time. Why do I have this fucking error? Well, this is why. I'm gonna fix it for you right now, bro. Don't worry. So, first off, exit your server. We're gonna shut it right back down. You can exit FileZilla if you want. Shut her down. Shut it down. Wait till it goes down, because you never want to edit anything while online. You can, but I recommend doing that and like copy your file to like, or save your file, then open it with Notepad++. I'm gonna shut her on down. Come on now. Okay, she shut down. So this is how you get that error to go away. So you get your admin tools to work. Don't have to add shit else, like for real. So you go to your Daisy standalone folder in your file browser. You go to config, frameworks. You go to roles. Everyone, this folder. Yes, I said everyone. I usually take it. I usually take this folder and actually copy it to Notepad. Because you always want to save a file. Delete it. I'll actually go back because I messed it up. You go to admin. After you copy that, copy it. Go to roles. Go to everyone. delete it. Take it all out. It doesn't matter. Paste it. Save changes. Start your server up. After you completed that, now you still got this file over here. I usually just re-click back on standalone because I'm going to be working on other things. It was online, so I usually wait about a minute or about 30 seconds. Nobody make fun of my old towel editor, towel thing. Okay, so we're gonna look for it. She's on up. Load into it to test your mod. Test if it works. I know it's gonna work, so I mean, we're going in though. Not responding. So guess what, guys? I'm back in the game. I'm hitting insert. Guess what? Offline. But if you hit end, END, guess what it says? Community Online Tools on. So now guess what you did? First things first, you want to go into your server, find your name, go to permissions, or show roles, I'm sorry, and do admin. And then you do save roles, hide permissions. And guess what? You're an admin. Now you can do whatever the shit bag you want. You can teleport everywhere. And this is the menu popped up, by the way. See, here's the menu without it. You can move freely. So if you pop the menu open, object spawner, and then you just click and hold. You can actually use this to like delete stuff. Like say you spawn stuff in, say some money. Just spawn some money in. Oh, I don't have banking, that's right. But let's just do a book. So spawn this one in there. So if you want to move it there, all you do is click and you find it. Just delete. No, you can't delete it. Look closer. I usually crouch if I want to delete something. See, there we go. Yeah. Crouching really works when deleting. But that's just another thing that I wanted to show you guys. Sorry for the small screen, but that's how you get it to work. Enjoy and have a good weekend. Adios.